What's up, everybody? Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tema token. Name of the token is TEMA, and that is also the ticker symbol. Now this is a huge project. They have millions of dollars of market cap. They've been promoting themselves on Dex Screener today with ads. They have a huge 24-hour trading volume. This is based off a very popular internet Raccoon that has all sorts of social media followings, big amounts of followers on all sorts of different platforms. We're going to go over the Tema token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token you can find on Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, at Tema_Raccoon. It says Tema is the world's most famous raccoon with 2,700,000 followers on TikTok, 1,700,000 followers or subscribers on YouTube, 314,000 followers on Instagram. So a huge following there. Their Twitter just joined November 2024. Has a link to their webpage right there, Memecoin.com. 5,345 followers, 101 posts, and a blue verified check mark. So if you scroll through their tweets, you're going to see lots of videos of the raccoon. You're going to see memes. You're going to see all sorts of updates and whatnot on here. So just 21 hours ago, they retweeted here, the first raccoon on the moon. $25 million market cap achieved and climbing fast. Momentum growing, adoption skyrocketing. So we're going to check this out here. So they have here on deck, well, they're not at 25 anymore, but they're pretty close. So on Dex Screener, it says their market cap is $22.3 million. And that is also their fully diluted valuation. Just today, they've had a 24-hour trading volume of $11.1 million. So very popular token. Even today, and this token came out here 29 days 14 hours ago, so it's under a month old, but it's not like brand new or anything like that, like it didn't come out a couple days ago. But even so, it is still trending, and huge trading volumes. I mean, over $11 million in trading volume just today is pretty impressive. Now, they have been doing some marketing on Dex Screener today. It has the Marketing Boost 600 Lightning Bolts ads button there live on Dex Screener. Right now, they have 8,640 holders. So a decent amount of holders. Looks like they started out with a total supply of 1 billion tokens. It's a deflationary token, so right now, the total and current supply is a little bit over 999.99 million tokens. If you're looking for this token, you can find it on SolScan. But if you're looking for the charts and the price and all the statistical info, you can find it on CoinGecko, Birdeye, Dex Tools, Dex Screener. There is a quick audit here on Dex Screener that we could check out here. So in the past 7 days, it says this token's up 181%. They have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. Now, they have a quick audit by Quick Intel Security, and it says contract verified, no honeypots, no mintable tokens, tax is not modifiable, No freezable contract and no other risks. But keep in mind that is just a quick audit. It's not a full audit. They don't go over everything. Now their Telegram, if you want to follow that, is at Tema_the Raccoon. And they have a DEX screener chart and a link to their webpage on the Telegram. This is the community chat Telegram. They have 4,782 members. 975 of them are online. That's going to be a great place to join the discussion regarding this project, learn more, talk to other community members, ask questions, that type of thing. And then the Twitter in the corner of the screen here, that's going to be a great place to see new partnerships, token listing announcements, updates, memes, all that good stuff. So their webpage, you go over there, Memecoin.com. It says, "Hi, I'm Tema, the world's most famous raccoon. Check out my Solana meme coin." It says you can get Tema on Jupiter. So you can also get it on Raydium. Now, according to DEX screener here, they have $964,000 worth of liquidity in Raydium. And according to DEX screener, 79.35% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. So that's good to see that. Now, their token price today is about 2.14 cents per token. They've had over 23,100 transactions just today. Now, if you are looking to get this token here, first of all, you would need a wallet that could store Solana tokens. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. And you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now, first of all, you could download a wallet from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund your wallet with Sol. Now, you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links that you could use down there in the description box. So you'd fund your wallet with Sol. You'd go into the dApps. You would find Raydium, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using the contract address that you could find on their SolScan, DEX Tools, DEX Screener chart. You can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Or you could go to their webpage, Memecoin.com, click on the Buy It on Jupiter link, and then connect your wallet that way. Now, you probably will not have to set slippage. I haven't seen anything about taxes. You will have to pay a small amount of gas fees. Now, this token could also be available on Orca or Meteora, which are other DEXs as well. But right now, they have 2,234 pooled Sol and Raydium, which is equivalent to 22,408,000 pooled Tema tokens. So go check this token out. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.